Hi, I'm Mark Glassmeyer and welcome to another Touch and Go product demo video. Today we're reviewing the 3-in-1 pilot light. The first part of the pilot light is the headlamp version of it. So it's got a nice elastic strap, hands-free operation. Right now I've got the red light on, so I would be using the red light feature during night operations. If I need white, trying to do this with my head above it, I can rotate the front of this forward, turn it on, and now I've got a traditional headlamp. Take the headlamp off your head, and you've got a classic, what I would call a torch light like this. This torch lamp can also fit into credential pockets, slash pockets that would exist on some of the jackets that exist on our bush pilot jacket, for example. So that light would fit nicely right there in the slash pocket if you need another option for hands-free operation. The light rotates forward to give you that classic flashlight on-off switch. The operation is you push on one time for the white light and hold down, and that gives you the red light. Okay. On the back, we have a magnet. So if you want to do another hands-free option for this, put it on a toolbox or something inside your hangar. There's more to that feature as well. The angle of the magnet is adjustable, so you release this screw, and then you've got an adjustable pivoting arm right there. So now what I can do is I can get different angles and focus that light exactly where I want it. Keep in mind, you can adjust there and here. So you get a very unique, different angles that you can shine light on. The final thing I'd like to show you today is that it is a rechargeable light. So you screw off the bigger nut in the back, and you've got a USB rechargeable. So always ready to go, and all kinds of functions and features. If you can't get light where you need it with this, we've got bigger problems. The 3-in-1 pilot light by Flight Outfitters.